how to delete your Tandem bank account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is empty all of your savings account by transferring your cash to your linked account. For that, you can simply tap on transactions in here. You'll actually be able to see the transfer out option. Tap on that one and set all of your remaining balance in order to transfer to your linked account. So after doing that, now we are going to contact their support team. For that, you can either open your application or and then from there you can actually get the chat option and simply go through the process, or you can email them through help@tandem.co and then simply email them. So in your email, what you're going to do is first of all confirm your identity and then request the support agent closure account. So that's all you need to do, like simply write down a mail to them and send it, and once they have confirmed your account deletion, you'll actually be able to get a mail. So after you have gotten that mail, you would know that your bank account has successfully been deleted. So yeah, that is exactly how you'll be able to do it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.